Hi. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's preparation is going great. We have like 2 weeks till J, and I just wanted to, give you guys like a progress update. So, since I'm in 12th, my board's still there, and today is 8th of March. To my female watchers, happy Women's Day. And I had my math exam today, ho gaya. And now I have English on 11, and uske baad I will probably have like 2 weeks until J. Probably, right? And I haven't studied anything for JEE, but मतलब like बस NCERT कर रही हूँ. Honestly मैंने एग्जाम्स के लिए NCERT भी नहीं की थी. मतलब मैंने NCERT पहले की थी. मैंने इस बार NCERT नहीं की थी. मैंने गैप डेज में I had this I had these OSWAL के previous year questions, this PYQ book for boards, and I was doing that and I was taking a few lectures on YouTube. जिसमें से अगर कोई 11th में है तो I'm gonna send मतलब मैं नीचे I'll just link down this channel. This channel was like honestly a lifesaver for me क्योंकि मैंने पीए की नहीं ली थी PYQs. एंड मैंने पीए एकदम लाइक लास्ट राउंड में पढ़ा था. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रही. मैं एकदम लाइक जिस दिन पेपर था उस दिन मैं 4 घंटे पहले आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग पेपर था और मैं सुबह के 4 बजे नहीं मैं सुबह का एक्चुअली 5:30 बजे उठ के वीडियो चला के सुन रही थी बस कि लाइक हाँ 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 एंड लाइक उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेरा पेपर लाइक अच्छा गया था. राइट. या सो मैं वो चैनल लिंक कर दूँगी क्योंकि उससे मेरे क्वेश्चंस मैच कर गए. लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. आई वाज ईटिंग एंड मैंने वीडियो चला रही थी. द वीडियो वाज ऑन एंड एंड जो उसने क्वेश्चन जो वो मेरे को टेस्ट समझा रहा था तो उसने जो टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली बताया. लाइक मैंने वो वीडियो पूरी भी नहीं देखी थी जो मैं देख रही थी. बट लाइक मैंने उसमें जितना पार्ट देखा ना क्या लग निकला मेरा कि मेरे पेपर में मैंने जो इतना सा पार्ट देखा था उस वीडियो का वो पार्ट उसके आगे आया. मैंने लाइक मेरे को जो जितना आता मैंने सब लिख दिया. मैंने 1-2 ड्राइंग्स बना दी क्यूट सी वो टैप टेस्ट वाला और फ्लेमिंगो टेस्ट वाला. तो I'll link down the channel को 11th में. It will be helpful. And yeah, so basically I haven't filmed a video in like literally forever. And the progress update would be मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. मतलब मैं PYQs नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just मतलब NCERT भी नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. And I'm just doing this PYQ book that I have from OSWAL उसी को कर रही हूँ. And I'm not so scared about attempt 2. Like मतलब जितना मैं शायद अटेम्प्ट 1 के लिए थी ना आई एम नॉट इतना स्केर्ड फॉर अटेम्प्ट 2. एंड आई नो कॉम्पिटिशन बढ़ जाएगा बच्चे बढ़ जाएंगे दिस एंड दैट. बट लाइक एट दिस पॉइंट आई एम लाइक अब करना ही है. राइट. इट्स नॉट रियली लाइक आई हैव एन ऑप्शन. राइट. Yeah, I am actually not going to be talking about my results, so I'm sorry अगर किसी को मेरा result जानना था. I'm gonna do that. I mean, it's not the best, and it's not like terrible. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरी 30% आई है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's above 70, but still it's below 90. So I mean, अच्छी नहीं है. Obviously, it's not good. Um, I think I know where I went wrong, but अभी in the 2 weeks I'm not 110% sure कि मुझे exactly क्या पढ़ना है. And I'm just gonna do PYQs yet again of literally all chapters. But say, why the focus just went out? Yeah, I'm gonna do. See, it went out again. What's happening? I know. Yeah, it's okay now. Yes. So I'm gonna be doing PYQs on literally all chapters as much as I can in the last 2 weeks, and I just hope everything goes good. Abhi though I'm giving this, and then इसके साथ साथ I'm also giving Amrita, as you guys know Amrita का. Amrita का paper मेरे को low key like tough लगा. मतलब it wasn't really tough, but like इतने सारे साइंटिस्ट के नाम एंड ये वो तो लाइक मेरे को पर्सनली लाइक मतलब मैंने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं ना हेमहोल्ट्ज फ्री एनर्जी क्या होती है. एंड उसने पूछ दिया क्वेश्चन में एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग सॉल्व करना था. अब मैं किसी और लॉजिक लगा के सॉल्व कर दूँ मेरे नेगेटिव हो जाए तो मैं क्यों करूँ फालतू में. तो मैंने आधे क्वेश्चन तो लाइक मैंने अटैम्प्ट ही नहीं किया. मैंने आई 37 क्वेश्चन ही अटैम्प्ट किए थे. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग मार्क्स आ रहे थे. उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही मार्क्स आए. मेरे उतने अच्छे नहीं आए बिकॉज लाइक मैंने अटेंड भी नहीं किए. बट आई थॉट कि लाइक एक बार NCERT पढ़ लूँगी तो मे बी आई नो अबाउट द नेम्स ऑफ साइंटिस्ट एंड फिर शायद अमृता के फेस टू में अच्छा हो. बट आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, मैंने जो PYQ सॉल्व किया, मुझे उसमें कोई साइंटिस्ट का नाम इधर नहीं मिला, तो मतलब मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा मैं सेकंड पेज में क्या खास उखाड़ लूँगी, इसलिए मैंने अभी तक फॉर्म नहीं भरा उसका। वो मैं भरूँगी, आई स्टिल गिव अमृता। एंड उसके बाद बिटसैट, ओ माय गॉड, मेरे को बिटसैट का रजिस्ट्रेशन लेना है। कॉमेट के, आई एम स्टिल थिंकिंग अबाउट कॉमेट के, आई एम नॉट टू श्योर साउथ में जाना, बिकॉज यू नो आई हर्ड कि देयर इज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, प्लस साउथ थोड़ा दूर भी हो जाएगा घर से, एंड ये वो एंड लाइक खाने का इशू, वो तो ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह ही है। लाइक नॉर्थ में मेरा चल जाएगा, बट लाइक साउथ में आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर बीन टू साउथ, आई हैव नेवर stayed in south, so I cannot really say much. But Comet K का मैं, I'll talk to my parents. WBJ, I haven't, like, one of my friend is filling WBJ, but like I don't know if I want to go, you know. I mean, I could. I mean, I don't have an issue, but like, I just not too sure yet. So WBJ, I don't know, but like, what I'm sure about is Amrita and Bitsa. That I'm 110% sure of. And उसके बाद SRM तो सब बढ़ते ही है, right? SRM में तो सभी जानते हैं, right? मैं मणिपाल का नहीं भर रही हूँ. और क्या? KIT Triple E. I'll still film the form if you guys have heard about the case. I don't know if you guys have. नहीं सुना है तो like देख लो, सुन लो, पढ़ लो. And yeah, for KIT Triple E, I'll still give the exam, but like I'm not too sure about going there after what happened like only recently. वो तो हर कैंपस में होता है, नॉट सेइंग कि इट्स जस्ट KIT. वो हर कैंपस में होगा, वो हर जगह, राइट? So for now, yeah, these are the 4 exams that I'm 110% sure कि मैं दे रही हूँ, except for J. And yeah, this video is actually pretty short, I believe, maybe. And if you're gonna talk about another video like kawaii, so this time I actually guys, let me tell you guys. So um yeah, so my feet have started hurting me yet again. Who knew, right? and and it affects my studies, बहुत affect करता है. I wouldn't say नहीं करता, and I'm not trying to exaggerate कि OMG बहुत ज़्यादा करता है, but like it affects my studies. And how it does is कि I'm really sleepy, like all the time, like all the time, despite taking supplements and everything. I'm still very sleepy. Like मेरी पढ़ाई affect करता है, but I think after this pretty much long time, actually बीच में I was completely okay, but like it started yet again. And what I would say is कि now I have like like I've kind of gotten used to it. Like now I can like almost study, and that's why, oh my god, that's why I'm smiling. Life has been good. Life has been great. Even though my marks haven't been great, my grades haven't been great. I haven't been able to focus 110%. But still, life has been good. Life has been great, and I'm excited to study now. Like अभी English का, I'm actually doing English PYQ साथ में. आज तो I came back and slept because मैं maths के लिए 3 घंटे सो के गई थी बस. And I think it's probably, let me show you guys what the time is. It is 7. Can you even see it? 7:43. No, you cannot see it. Yeah, it's almost 8. Oh my god, it's 8 p.m. on 8 March. Jeez, I really do yap a lot, huh? So I am actually going to study tonight, but like आज रात में मैं बस English की stories करूँगी, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be sitting there solving PYQs, and रात में English की stories. I'm just gonna do like रात में English की stories, and सुबह में I'm gonna be studying PYQs. So that is my plan for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna have no priority chapters, कुछ priority कुछ नहीं है, सबसे question आएगा. So I'm gonna do every single thing. I'm gonna study every single thing, and I hope you guys are studying every single thing too, like this, you know. Yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you guys are studying. I hope सबके marks अच्छे आए. I would honestly love to know about you guys' marks, but like like मतलब मैंने अपने नहीं बताया तो मैं like तुमसे किस मुँह से पूछूँ? तो I mean, I would love to know your guys' marks. And अगर किसी को ये like मेरे board के paper के वो pics चाहिए, तो just let me know, and I'll upload those in the community for you guys, and I'll link that channel down below. and I hope everyone is studying. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope all of you guys are, happy. Like, I hope none of you guys are gonna do anything. I haven't been using my phone, like, barely. I've been barely using my phone. So I've been barely replying to people. And I'm pretty sure one of you are watching this जिसकी like, मैं बात कर रही हूँ like तो तेरे को पता है तू कौन है and I'm sorry like मेरे से नहीं देखा जा रहा था phone and I just couldn't catch up with you guys बहुत सारे हैं but for one specifically Jatin I'm just gonna mention you I know I've done this many times but रुक जा exams हैं right and sometimes I just get overwhelmed. That's why I wasn't uploading. It was just, things were just everywhere, and I just, when I get overwhelmed, it's almost like I just want to turn my phone off and I just want to sit there with myself. So I'll be texting you guys back, right? Okay. I wasn't ignoring any of you. I was not trying to ignore Kissy or be on, whether it was on YouTube or like on WhatsApp or even Instagram. And some of you guys are gonna come at me like, why you've been using Instagram? Then I do have Instagram, but like I don't watch reels. I don't, I don't look at posts and stuff. Like honestly, I've never liked watching reels. I may make some here and there, but like I don't really watch reels. By the way, no brain rot. um, so this is going to be it. That was a pretty long yap session. Um, yeah, it's honestly so weird to see like आज my friend and I like board exam हो गया था उसके बाद we were just talking and उसके बाद she said कि like उसका भाई goes to the office and honestly मतलब it just feels so weird like your brother जो कुछ दिन पहले literally तुम्हारे साथ रहता था मुझे रोज देखते थे right वो स्कूल जाता था and अब वो ऑफिस जा रहा है like it's just yeah also मेरे एग्जाम के बाद I wasn't gonna go I was not gonna go on 11th को मेरा इंग्लिश का एग्जाम है I was actually not gonna go but these guys like Pranav and Nehal if you remember them from my last video they kind of really convinced me into going they're like एक दिन like not पूरा एक दिन but like थोड़ी देर के लिए we're gonna go out after my exam and honestly I don't think any of you guys want to see it I don't even know हम लोग करेंगे भी क्या because like कुछ plan नहीं है कुछ नहीं है and like so if we do go I'll film and I'll have them talk about how they're prepping their progress update and just like boards kaise gaye right if you guys are interested and if you're not like just don't watch it don't waste your time like honestly guys don't even watch mera like many videos from like if they're mostly yap videos and I yap to just like see this is my channel and I wanted to just document everything and I want to let things out so if you guys feel like it's a waste of time just like मत देखो पढ़ लो पढ़ने के बाद देख लेना या फिर जेई हो जाए उसके बाद देख लेना नहीं देखना मत देखो it's completely okay because I do this for myself like I film for myself and to see that you guys even watch my videos it just makes me happy and like it's just I cannot even explain to you guys how much it makes me happy but it does like it does make me really happy that you guys like when you guys are asking me like when is the next video gonna be out it just makes me really happy to see that you guys genuinely like do care I don't know about genuinely but at least that's how I feel like you guys do care and that makes me really happy and I hope all of you guys are happy right because being happy is like just so important don't kill yourself it's not worth it it's so not worth it there are many more exams there are many more colleges if you're in 12th do not even think about it you literally have a drop year and if you're a dropper there are many more colleges and maybe just God wants something else from you right like maybe just God wants something else so think about it like that and don't kill yourself your life is precious even if other people do not care I do care about every single one of you who watch me whether subscribed or not I do care about you guys so do not kill yourself please it's so not worth it if you have issues like just go and talk to chat gpt or something like if you cannot tell your friends about it if you cannot tell your family about it go talk to chat gpt right just or like journal like write about it and you know. But like, don't kill yourself. It's not worth it. Please don't. And I'm gonna end this video where I talked a lot. And yeah, I hope all of you are doing good. I hope all of you are doing great. And all the best for your exam. Just जो भी boards दे रहा है 11th all the best for your JEE next year. And 12th and droppers, all the best for your JEE. And